Hey guys, this is Josh. In this video, I'll show you how to tweak the best trading settings for the Sol trading bot. This Telegram bot comes with awesome features and lightning-fast speed. By the end, you'll know how to save hundreds on trading fees just by using the right settings. The bot's fee is only 1%, and stick around until the end. I'll share an alternative you might like. To get started, head to the description and launch the bot. Once you're in the menu, let's set up your wallet first. Click on Wallet, and on the next page, decide how many wallets you want to create. For example, I picked 10, and you'll see a list of wallets along with their private keys. Next, go to Settings to fine-tune things. If you're a low-volume trader, set the slippage to 1.5% and turn off transaction boost. For high-volume traders, bump the slippage up to 3.5%. That's it. You're all set. Leave the other settings on their defaults. Hit Close, and you'll notice some cool extra features like Pump Fund Sniper, Moonshot Sniper, and Token Sniper. With Token Sniper, you can import a wallet to track and snipe tokens. For Pump.Fund Sniper and Moonshot Sniper, simply enter the token symbol you're targeting or the dev wallet to snipe it. What sets this bot apart is its copy trade system. Unlike other bots, here you can choose exactly which of your wallets you want to use for copy trading. If this bot isn't your vibe, no worries. At the end, I'll introduce Bullx Neo, a special web-based trading bot perfect for sniping meme coins. You'll find the access link in the description. Oh, and please, don't forget to like and subscribe.